Ang hirap niyong ituruan. Sit down. No one will move. Stay there. Look at me, Sergi. Sergi. Serge. We're gonna take a picture, Sergi. Serge. You're not listening. Don't move. Eh, may isa talagang pasaway. I said, I'm going to take picture eh. Okay, ready na, Sheena? Go back there. Shin, can you please go back? Go back. Go back there. Go back. Pasaway ka. Okay, take a picture. Smile. Can you move a little, Shay? I can't see you in the picture eh. 1, look, 2, 3, shot, shot, shot. Ay, naku, may umalis. Lumipat. Okay, sit down, Shadow. Shadow, please sit down. Are you sitting na ba? Ay, sorry. Shit, Sergi, can you please stop licking your daddy? Okay, come on. 1, 2, shot, 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 shot. You guys are so cute. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. You know what, Shadow? Ay, Sergi? Oh, the 2 browns are in the middle. Look at that, how pretty that is. Hmm? Oh, Shay, stay. Yan, good. Okay, I'll take a picture na, ha? Okay? Shay, I can't see you. Shay, look at me. Shay, go back there. I'm taking a picture eh. Go back. Sit down. Kulit eh. Ayan, much better. Okay,